Next topic is algebraic expression. Okay. So question number 1. G of x is equals to x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 5. Find G of negative 3. I'll change the color. Okay. So if you're going to look at this equation here, or this function here, it means you substitute negative 3 on every variable x. So I saw here negative 3, another variable. And then I'm going to rewrite my equation. Let's solve the equation. So negative 3 plus 4, that's 1. Negative 3 plus 5, that's 2. If you multiply 1 times 2, that's 2. So G of negative 3 is equals to 2. The answer is letter B. Next question. Number 2. H of x is equals to x squared minus 3x. Find H of negative 1. We're going to do the same thing. So let me change this color here, negative 1. Whenever you see x, you substitute negative 1. Negative 1. Negative 1 there. Negative 1. And I'm going to rewrite the equation. See, there's a square. It means you're going to multiply negative 1 by itself twice. And there's a number there. So negative 1 times a negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 3 times a negative 1 is positive 3. So if I add them, the answer is 4. So h of 1, h of negative 1 is equals to 4, which is the answer is letter D. Okay. Next question. This is kind of complex question. F of x is equals to x minus 5 all over 2x minus 4. Find f of 3. Okay. Same thing. I'm going to change the color. So I saw change that to 3. Change this to 3. Okay. Minus 5. And change this 2 to 3. Okay. This is f of 3 is equals to 3 minus 5 all over 2 times 3 minus 4. So let's solve this. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 minus 4, it's 2. So f of 3 is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. The answer is letter A. Thank you. Okay. Question number 5. For the function g of x is equals to x minus 5 all over x minus 3. Which of the following is true? This is going to be a longer process. We need to check all the numbers. Let's start with letter A. F of 4 is greater than f of 7. So let's start first with whenever the value is f of 4. We draw it here when x, f of x. So when x is 4, what's the value of f of x? Okay, I'm going to write it here. G of minus 5 minus 3. I start with 4. If I put 4 and 4 here and 4 there, let's find the value. 4 minus 5 is going to be negative 1. 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. If I divide that, it's negative 1. So f of 4, the answer is negative 1. Okay. Let's change. Let's change this to 7. Still working letter A. If I change this to 7, 7 minus 5, it's 2. 7 minus 3, it's 4. Or if I simplify that, it's 1/2. So 7, my bad. This is 1/2. This is 7. Okay. So the first number is, letter is f of 4 is greater than f of 7. Is f of 4 is negative 1 is greater than 1/2. That's false. Okay, so it's not letter A. So letter B, f of 7, which is this, okay, is equals to 1/2, which is good. Okay, looks like we have a good number there. Let's look at f of 1, letter C. If I change this to 1, (1 minus 5 is negative 4. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. If I divide them, it's positive 2. Is that positive 2, letter C? No. Okay. It's not. Let's look at letter B. If G of, oh my bad, G or 9, if I put 9 here, 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. This is 2 over 3. Does it equal to 0? No. The answer is letter B. B is the answer. F of 7 equals to 1